Hi, Jenny Harris here from Protection Dog Sales. I want to talk about flea and tick pills really quick. It's a miracle. Give your dog a pill and they won't get flea and ticks. Not exactly true and not exactly a miracle. Let's start with the risks. I think the risks are huge and not worth it. Isoxaline is a class of medications that are known to cause neurological issues as well as seizures, or including seizures in dogs. That's not a rumor or fake news. That's a fact. It says it right on the box. Matter of fact, if you see the commercials, it says it right on the commercial. Now let's add in, not only are we giving this toxic medication that you give the pill, if a bug bites your dog, the bug rapidly dies. That's terrifying to me. I would never take a medication that if I ate it and then a bug bit me, the bug would die. But let's just pretend that's the only problem. Let's combine with vets are giving these pills in a combination. So it's not only the isoxaline class of medication, they're giving them in combination with a heartworm preventative. Now, at Protection Dog Sales, we are 100% pro heartworm preventative. In addition, the heartworm preventatives also have a medication to clear intestinal parasites. We think that is a bonus too. But when you combine heartworm preventative, intestinal parasite treatment, and flea and tick treatment, that is a lot of medication at one time. German Shepherds specifically are prone to a genetic mutation that will cause them to absorb medications quicker than they should. So is this something that we worry about with their breeding? Absolutely not, because we just don't give giant combos of medication at a time. We do not believe in it. We think it's awful, horrible. Now let's talk about some of the side effects that are less documented, but we are seeing them more and more, and that is behavioral changes in dogs that are on these flea and tick pills, especially the ones that are given in combination. We are seeing some definite behavioral changes, a little more edginess, a little more aggression. So that's just the icing on the cake. I already would never give my dog one of these toxic cocktails. And after seeing this more and more, I for sure would not do this. So it's not the most popular in the vet community, but here at Protection Dog Sales, we feed our dogs Bruges with garlic powder in their foods. It can also be given as a tablet. This is natural. Is it going to guarantee your dog does not get a flea or a tick? It's not, but it does for sure help decrease the likelihood. We have farms, we have horse farms, we have woods, we go hiking, we go backpacking, and we just simply don't have an issue with fleas and ticks on our dogs. I'll pluck an occasional tick here or there, more so in the spring. Very rarely do we have fleas. If I do, I will treat the dog with a topical dip with a very thorough rinse afterwards and a diluted dish soap bath to make sure that we remove all of those toxins. I'll wash their bedding in super hot water, and if I really think I might have a problem, I have not, but if I did, I would treat my yard. There's lots of powders, granules, and sprays that you can use to treat your yard for the fleas and ticks, all of which are not going directly into your dog's body and out through the skin. So this is something that we're very passionate about because we care about our dogs, and I'm just seeing more and more and more issue with these nasty medications. And the vets want to downplay it and they want to do scare tactics. You know, your dog is going to get Lyme's. Well, they can get Lyme's, and 30 days of doxycycline will generally treat that Lyme's. However, a lot of creatures, including humans, a good, strong immune system can fight off Lyme's on its own. So I'm pretty sure I've had Lyme's and my body fought it and won because I work really hard at staying healthy and taking good care of myself and having a good, clean diet and exercise, all of which we also work very hard for our dogs at Protection Dog Sales. And they're under stress, so that puts a lot on their immune system. So it makes it even more important that we have a good, clean, solid diet, appropriate diet, and exercise. And sunlight. Hello, sunlight's the best medicine. Way better than a pill that makes bugs die if they bite you. Okay, so that's just a little tiny bit, more to come on that, but come on folks, let's not put our head in the sand and let's start asking questions and reading. The good old www is full of information. Some of it's correct, some of it's not, but if you look, you will find that these medications are extremely risky and they're just not worth the risk. So please do your dog a favor and don't give them this. Just stick with the monthly heartworm and have fun.